Hello, I'm Tyler, and welcome to Brief Explorations, where we're going to be exploring the high seas today, but more importantly, we're going to be doing a little bit of privateering. Alright boys, let's helm the ship and let's go fuck up some people. We'll start off easy, then we'll go fight some man of wars.
Some damage here! Fire! Fire! We're ready, sir! Now firing, sir! Fire! Fire! On your mark, Captain! Fire!
Let's board this fucking boat! How you doing? You have a good day today? Not anymore. What about you? You having a good day? Nope, not anymore. You having a good day? Hope those two aren't having a good day. So what about you? Nope, you're not having a good day. Alright, let's go finish this off, boys. Oop. Is that a man of war? There we go. Man of war, a frigate, a frigate. Some more frigates. Alright guys, we found exactly what we needed. Oh man, oh baby. Alright, let's go take them on. Slow and steady, boys, slow and steady. Come into the trap. And they're in!
On your mark, come in! Fire!
Alright, we took out the man of war. Let's go board him, fuck him up. Alright, let's board. Get the fuck out of these bitches. Gotta defend my man. We did it. We have taken the man of war. I am the man of war. Alright guys, thanks for watching Brief Exploration. See you guys next time. Goodbye!